Hey everyone, this is Ryan with Giant Loop. Today I'm excited to show you our brand new 2019-2020 product called the recovery strap. So it's a recovery strap designed to go on snow bikes and snowmobiles. The recovery strap is designed to help you get out of a sticky situation when you're in the snow, whether you're stuck in a tree well, powder up to your waist and you can't get your snow bike or snowmobile out of it. This will help you inch your way out of it without having to tie something off to a tree or have multiple friends help you or get winches. This is very simple. So you take this, you can do it around your fork stanchions, anywhere that's really here. So what you do is, your buddy is standing right here and he's helping basically lift this out of the snow as you're giving it gas. So it helps get the bike into recovery mode. It inches it little by little, no need for a big long strap. You can do it there, you can also do it on the ski. A lot of times with a snow bike, you're stuck in a very, you're stuck for a very short amount of time, and instead of getting off and having all these extra tools, all you need is this recovery strap. You can pull the whole thing, lift the ski out of it, give it enough room, and then you can ride right out of the hole.